guys, I'm pretty sure that's who I just killed.
Grenade out. Right down.
Okay, babe. Okay. Look at this, so gonna use. Actually, it smells so bad. Okay. What kind did I just get? Oh, I'm fucking. That thing is huge. Holy shit. I'm so done with myself today. Oh my god. Babe coming in with 100 hearts and the 50 unis. I'm fucking dying right now.
Team deathmatch. Shoot to kill. We're not here to negotiate.
Which one are we at?
The lead is ours.
I guess we gonna rock this bitch. Wow. Yeah, really? Really, motherfucker? I hope you die, you fucking retard.
Throwing flashbang. Throwing Sentex. We claim the advantage now.
Hunt. Where the fuck are they? I'm scared. Oh, let me kill you again. Bitch. Hell, coming in with a 20 hearts. Appreciate it. Why won't you move fucking fast enough? There's gotta be, I don't even care. I don't care if I die at the moment. Where did I fucking go last time for this? Or what? Where did I go last time? Fuck you, you fucking... Imagine. Is that this? It can't be this. No, it's not. Need what?
Fred, going out.
Really?
Fancy seeing you here. Blue, check your fire. Dorsey frag. Stun thrown.